welcome back to Kidwell. Today we're going to be doing a fabulous puppet show. In our last video we sang, so we are not doing any more singing videos because we get a little nervous. So, there are Mrs. Moo, Mr. Moo, Mr. Skunk, and also Mr. Teddy, Mr. Teddy Bear. So, we'll take it away now. You forgot to mention me. Oh, and Sophie just reminded me. Here is Sophie, my cousin. My channel, people, not hers. Just remember that. Yeah, I'm just helping her with the videos. I'm a whiz kid. I'm the one that made this puppet show up, mate. So, I thought of it though. Yeah. Right. Get that out of the way. Right. Oh, here's my house. Hello, my name is Mr. Moo, and this is my wife.
Let's get nice and Mr. Bear.
Woo! Oh, yes, it's very windy. Let's go in my house, quick before a tornado. Quick!
Get Mr. Skunk. No.
Hi.
It's windy! Let me go in the house. The house is not big enough.
Oh no! My house is went in a tornado! Help me! Help me!
Help me!
Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm not very well! Help me! Achoo! 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 Okay. That's better. Right. Okay, people. That's the end of our show. And that was called the tornado. Never going to Africa or Florida. There are loads of tornadoes. By the way, what I was saying was, our video will get continued in the next episode, right? And then we'll do. Just comment below what you think that we should do next video, like in our puppet show, and then I'll explain anything. We'll just choose one and then we'll do it. But there's plenty more. Bye. Peace out, people. Please press subscribe. Yeah, peace.